Opening statements will start today in the trial for Officer Derek Chauvin, the former Minneapolis police officer who is accused of killing George Floyd. Now, right now, there are 15 jurors in the case. One will be dismissed today. The judge said he needed 15 jurors to make sure that there were 12 jurors and 2 alternatives when opening arguments start. Now, this is a nod to the pretrial publicity and the trial taking place during a pandemic. So this morning, let's go beyond the headline with a look at the jury and what happens next. The 15th juror is a white man in his 20s who's a married accountant. The judge said he will dismiss him before the trial starts today.
14 will be seated. That's all we have room for. We could seat 15 if we had room, but 15th juror, as the last chosen, will be excused on Monday.
And they are diverse. 9 are white, 6 are people of color. Their ages range from 20s to a grandmother in her 60s. 14 jurors will sit in the school-type desks, socially distanced during the trial that's expected to last about 4 weeks. Only before deliberations will the judge announce and excuse the 2 alternates. Joe Tamburino is a criminal defense attorney not affiliated with this case.
I think it's a very fair and impartial jury. I mean, what's striking is that these people all very sincerely stated that they could try to put whatever they do know about this case aside and be willing to receive new evidence.
The themes of the trial were set out during jury selection.
It looks like there's really one key issue in this case. What is the cause of death?
There's going to be a running battle. Cause of death and reasonable use of force. Did the cause of death involve drugs or poor health? Or was the cause of death unreasonable force by Mr. Chauvin?
Another question is, will Derek Chauvin testify in his own defense? His own attorney has suggested during jury selection he won't.
You understand that Mr. Chauvin has no obligation to prove anything. You understand that?
Correct.
We don't have to ask a single question, call a single witness, introduce a single piece of evidence. Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Court begins this morning at 10 a.m. Once opening statements start, we're going to air it live right here on 10 Tampa Bay. We'll stream the trial gavel to gavel on our free 10 Tampa Bay app, and you can just text 727-577-8522. We'll send you our complete coverage and added context to every moment.